Hi, this is 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. This is Chris. Today we're taking a look at the OmniCharge high capacity laptop power bank. It's for laptops, smart devices, and a whole lot more. It offers an incredible 25,600 milliamps of power, but it's rated for 92 watt hours, so you can safely take it on an airplane. Here are all the ports. This in-out USB-C port offers up to 60 watts of power. That means you can charge and power a laptop, a MacBook Pro, and then you have two Quick Charge 3.0 USB Type A ports, and then you have the four LEDs that showed you power level, and you can plug in directly to that power port there for laptops that have that feature. And then on the back you can see all the different power specs. You can pause the video anytime and take a look at all the power specs there. There's quite a few of them. And then on the top, you get a 10-watt wireless charging pad. So that's fast charging for Samsung phones and the fastest charge available for most iPhones. Here's some quick details on the back about the battery, and then again, you can pause the video. It takes 40-watt input to charge the battery itself, and like I said, 60-watt USB-C output, which is a ton. And then if you need DC output at 72 watt max, so if you have that DC cable, you can plug it directly into this battery and charge your laptop. This is from OmniCharge. It is the high capacity laptop power bank. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.